Friends, hundreds and thousands of opportunities are knocking your door. But are you ready to grab those technological job roles in coming years of time? Do you want to occupy the corporate jobs and have the very nice packages on the various technical job roles? If so, please listen to the next content of our video very carefully. Hello friends, I am Sanjay Pavade. Welcome to our YouTube channel Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Skill Development Center, College of Engineering and Management, Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Friends, in this video, we are going to see how we can develop successful career in software development and IT industry. Friends, you must be aware software and IT industry is booming since last 20 years. If we see the software applications, they have very large scope as far as e-commerce is concerned, mobile commerce, banking, defense, energy, medical, engineering, manufacturing, research, transportation, space research, drug discovery, education, design, biotech, and the scope is increasing day by day. The software applications are becoming the heart of the transactions and operations in varieties of the sectors. It is forecasted that IT-enabled services sector is going to be growth by 24% by 2030. However, according to some statistics, 67% of the IT employers have trouble in finding skilled IT candidates for various kinds of technical jobs. The skill gaps are very high and they are causing annually $8 lakh to various IT employers. This figure is really enormous. The computing industry has a global deficit of 1.2 openings for every worker. It shows the kind of skill shortage the IT industry is facing. Another challenge we have seen from 2018 is there is an average of 42% shift in IT skills. So the varieties of the skills are being expected by the employers in the coming time. According to the Future Job Survey 2018 by the World Economic Forum, these are the technologies by proportion of companies likely to adopt them by 2022. User entity, big data analytics, app and web enabled market, Internet of Things, machine learning, cloud computing, digital trade, augmented and virtual reality, encryption technology, and very important quantum computing technologies. Friends, now you have come to know the applications, the scope and the expectations, the technological adoption by various employers in IT sector. There are so many abundant opportunities which are on your doorstep. But are you ready to grab those opportunities? What kind of action plan you have to take in future that we are going to discuss right now? Friends, you must be knowing about the conventional degree programs like BTech, BE, BSc and BCA. There is a great amount of skill shortage as far as the coming graduates are concerned. Now, recently there was one survey conducted in 2018 regarding the conventional computer software graduate employability. This survey tells that nearly 70% of the graduates are not employable. It means that there is large amount of deficit of skills in these graduates coming out of the conventional degree programs. The structure of the conventional degree programs is the real reason behind creating this skill crisis. The structure of the conventional degree programs is normally 80% theory and 20% practical. Majority of the conventional degree programs curriculum, they are outdated. The programs do not exchange the industry trainings. They do not engage the student in internship, the live industry projects. Also very importantly, there is a lack of inclusion of 21st century employability skills in this conventional degree program. Now, if we know the reasons for the skill shortages, then it's very high time for us to shift our mindset from knowledge oriented degree education to the skill oriented degree education. Thanks to All India Council for Technical Education, Government of India, that they have launched Bachelor of Vocation in Software Development as a real bridge between the academics and the industry. Friends, this is a 3-year skill engineering program which is approved by AICTE, Maharashtra State Government, and it is affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. The important feature of this program is its structure. The structure contains 80% 80% practicals, industry training, and it lays only 20% stress on the theory. This program offers you the industry relevant tools and technologies to be learned within this curriculum. If you have to grab these 21st century opportunities in IT industries, then you should be very familiar with the programming languages, with the database technologies, web development tools, the unified modeling language which is exclusively used for software design, UI and UX design, artificial intelligence, machine learning, similarly computer aided software engineering tools, blockchain, cloud computing, data analytics, and Internet of Things are the tools and technologies which will lead you to grab the fantastic and lucrative IT openings. The curriculum of this Bachelor of Vocation in Software Development is not developed by the League of the Professors, but it's defined and guided by National Skill Development Corporation, New Delhi, and the corporate IT industries. The feature of this program is it lays 40% stress on specialized job roles and on-job training. Friends, in this industry sandwich degree course, you have to undergo the on-job trainings on various job roles like technical support executive, web developer, software test engineer, junior software developer, software engineer, UI and UX developer, and Android application developer. Friends, these are the highly demanding technical job roles which will lead to the best placements in near future. Another important characteristic of this skill engineering BVOC program is it is a multiple certification. In this particular skill engineering program, when you pass the first year of this program, you get diploma in software development. On passing the second year of this degree course, you will get advanced diploma in software development, and after passing the third year of this degree program, you will get the degree in software development. Friends, this program highly focuses on 21st century skills for software developers. The IT industries and the various employers, they look at nice balance between the technical skills and the 21st century employability skills, and this balance is well struck by the skill engineering program. The kind of 21st century skills which are imparted in this program, they consist of logical reasoning, problem solving ability, algorithm development, lifelong learning ability, programming skills, willingness to change, testing skills, design skills, communication skills, documentation skill, reporting skills, team and time management skill, event management skill, leadership skill, and most importantly, entrepreneurship skills. So the nice integration of technical skills and soft skills is the real feature of this program. The industry partners, they play vital role in building the technical skills. The industry partners for this degree program with us are NASSCOM Sector Skill Council, Seed Infotech Pune, Felix IT Pune, Shuksham Technologies Pune, Chintan Info Solutions Mumbai, and Pragati Software Limited Mumbai. Friends, now you will have a question in your mind that what are the opportunities you will get after completion of this BVOC Skill Engineering degree program in software development. This program is an industry sandwich degree course. The technical skills and the 21st century employability skills is going to give you solid platform to grab the various technical job roles in the corporate IT industries. You can also grab the various relevant position of the software developers in government or semi-government areas. This program will not only give you the corporate jobs, but it will give you the best skills which are required for a successful entrepreneur. So this program is a package of technical skills and 21st century employability skills. If you wish that you want to undertake the higher education, then you can go for MBA program, MVOC program, or MS program in software development within the India and outside the India in the eminent universities. Friends, if you have a dream to become the class 1 officer, then you can always appear for Public Service Commission's exams. Friends, if you are 10+2 student or a ITI student of 2 years duration after 10th, or you have passed diploma in engineering, then you are most eligible to join this degree program. You can get all the relevant information about this program on our webpage www.dksdc.org. Friends, if you want to get updates on technology and skill development arena, then I request you to please subscribe, share, and like our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Wish you a successful career ahead.